End of season sale, end of season sale, and end of season sale. Every business that I see right now is having their own end of season sale. Do you want one and do you want easy ways to promote your season sale? Then this video is just for you. You can see this image with this message that I forwarded on WhatsApp. You can send an exact message just like this to thousands and thousands of customers at once using this amazing creation that we will talk in this video. And with that, the profit is that your account won't be banned by Meta. Your business account will be safe and you can promote your business on WhatsApp because WhatsApp is now the biggest platform to communicate and most of the people actually uses WhatsApp. So if you promote your business on WhatsApp, this will be a very amazing part that you can promote your end of season sale in your business just like this very easily. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup where you can promote your business, your season's ending sale on WhatsApp with us. So let's move on to this video. So you might be wondering what software I'm using to send this bulk WhatsApp message. On a new tab, simply search for www.pabbly.com/Chatflow. And as you will search for it, the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow will appear, and this is the software with the help of which I simply, easily and efficiently manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business. Now, if you're a new user, you are logging in for the first time after seeing this video, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits, you can test out the setup right away and check how Pabbly Chatflow is actually going to work for you. Okay? And then if you're planning to purchase our one-time plans or yearly plans of Pabbly Chatflow to efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations, I will suggest you to purchase our one-time plans because you don't have to pay any fees monthly. Just pay the amount once and you'll get the access of Pabbly Chatflow's unlimited features forever. So these are the 4 kind of plans, one-time plans we provide to you. Now, if you want to actually purchase any of the one-time plans and you want additional discounts on top of the existing ones that we already have, you can simply use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant discounts. So go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. Now I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account, and to send bulk WhatsApp messages, you have to create a message template just like this and then use the template to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers just like this. So now for that, what I will do is I will teach you how you can create the template. But before that, if you want to learn how you can set up your entire Pabbly Chatflow account, what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features and everything, you can check out all the video links added in the description section. Create your setup first and then come back to this video. Okay. Now to create a template, simply click on this add template button and add template option. Now after coming to this new template page, firstly it is asking for the category of the template that you're creating. There are 3 options. I'm going to use marketing as I'm marketing the new season sale. Okay. Next, it is asking for the template name. Name the template according to your requirement right over here, whatever you want in lowercase letters with no space. Instead of space, use underscore. Okay. Next, it is asking for us to select the language. In which language are you creating this template? I'm going to create it in English, but if you have a different language, you can select that language from the drop down. For the variable, if you are adding a variable in your template that you're creating, select the type of the variable according to your requirement. Now I want to add an attractive image just like this with my message. So I'm going to select over here the template type as image. But if you want, you can select text, video, document, or any other thing according to your requirement. Okay. Next, it is asking for the format. For the format over here, write the entire message that you have, whatever you want to write right here. According to your requirement, write the message in this format section. If you want to add in a footer message, so you can enter the footer according to your requirement. Select the interactive actions if you want and then submit the button from here. And as soon as you will do that, automatically this template is going to be created. I have already created this template. You can see this is the end of season sale template that I have created, okay, for my business, that is Moon and Metal. And you will see it says status is approved. This approved status is going to come from Meta's end. Meta is going to approve the template that you have created. If it is going to be rejected, you won't be able to send and use this template that you have created. So wait for the status to be updated as approved and then only you can send this template message. Okay, now one thing, as now I have this template created and approved from Meta side, now let's send bulk WhatsApp message. Now to send bulk WhatsApp message inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have this amazing feature in the name of broadcast. Broadcast helps you to create an entire channel where you can select to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message to, select the template or write in the text, and then send that message to every single person in the contact list. Okay, now for that we are going to create and add a new broadcast from here. Select the broadcast type. I will select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, I'll write over here as end of season sale as the broadcast name. You can name whatever you want. Contact list. Now this is the contacts list that I have created, from which I'm going to select my leads list over here. Now what is this contact list? In the contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, if I'll open it, to categorize all the contacts, you can create segmented list and select the list that you have created over here in the section. If you want, you can select all the contact list from the section as well, but I will select a specific one that I have created. If you want to refine your audience from this optional section, you can do that. Now you have two options. Either you can select a pre-approved template that you've created that will be approved from the Meta's end, or else you can enter a simple regular message right over here with the header type directly. Okay, I will select the pre-approved template from here. This is the template. Now as you will select it, for this image you have to upload the image directly in this section only. So this is the image I want to send. I will insert it and click on this done button. As soon as I will do that, you will see the preview of this image that you have attached with the entire message. Okay, so as now we have the image and the message. Now next it is asking for this username and phone number. Now what username and phone number you have to write right here? Write your own details and test this broadcast that you're creating right now. So my name is test account, so I'll write over here as test account, and my phone number is, so this is my phone number. I'm going to click on the set test message button and you will see a test broadcast is sent, and on my WhatsApp you will see I will receive this another new message right over here with the same image and same message. So you, with the help of this feature, you can test how your broadcast is actually going to look like on their customers WhatsApp handle. Okay, so now after testing the broadcast, now if you want, you can instantly send this broadcast or schedule this broadcast for later. So let's suppose this sale is going to start from next Sunday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply schedule this for later, or if I want to instantly send the bulk message using this feature, I can do that as well, but I'm going to schedule it for my next week Sunday, that is 25th of July at 12 p.m. This message should be forwarded towards all my customers, and click on this add broadcast button. The broadcast of end of season sale, you can see right over here, is going to be added inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. It's scheduled for 25th of July 2026 at 12 p.m. and this is the message that will be forwarded. The image is not going to pop up in the preview, okay, but it is added successfully. If you want, you can view the stats of the broadcast directly from this section. Now the broadcast is scheduled towards all the contacts that you've selected in the contact list, a message just like this on the selected date and time is going to be automatically forwarded. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup that I've told you right now, you can comment down below. This is how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages to thousands and thousands of customers to promote your end of season sale of your business without need of any technical coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.